Welcome to Ptak Fashion City. This is the largest fashion city and the only one in Europe which combines the activities of Ptak Wholesale Trade Centre and Ptak Outlet. Ptak Fashion City is the main export centre of Polish clothes, the largest clothing showroom in Poland, which offers wholesale trading on the premises or online, and above all, the place where thousands of Polish clothes producers operate. Ptak Outlet is the largest international fashion outlet in Poland and the first in the region, with 100 stores of global brands and 33,000 square meters of constructed area. Several 100,000 visitors come to the annual International Fashion Fair, and over 3,000 exhibitors present their products over an area of 200,000 square meters. The accompanying events include a business forum and the Fashion Trends Festival with over 60 fashion shows, appearances of fashion and television celebrities, and impressive media coverage. Welcome to Ptak Fashion City.